Hello, everybody, and thanks so much for tuning in today. Today we are in Birmingham. I'm Debbie McKeegan, the CEO of Texintel, and it's a pleasure to be joined by Julian Wright from Amaya. Thank you. It's so busy, and you've got so many customers here.
Very busy, absolutely, yeah.
Thank you for giving us 5 minutes for a video. Really, it's wonderful. So, the market has changed so much. Let's talk about the market, of the beginning of the market, and where we are at the moment for direct garment and garment decoration and direct film technologies.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, it's interesting over the last 3 to 4 years with DTF's insurgence really into the market. Became very popular for very good reasons because, it does serve a purpose and it kind of fills in the gaps where DTG doesn't excel, if you like, certain fabric types, things like that. But yeah, I think for a lot of customers, it's been a challenge to understand where to invest and how to invest and what's the right equipment for them.
Yeah, definitely. And those market shifts and challenges changing all of the time, because if you look at technology incrementally, it's just changing so fast, isn't it, really? Becoming better, faster, quicker. The workflow is becoming more intelligent. And I think sometimes for customers, it's when to step in, isn't it, really? And when they have the confidence, the market is at a balanced point where they can take into it at that point and make it work for them.
Absolutely. But while I think sometimes while technology is without a doubt moving at a horrendous pace, I think there's certain standards that customers always benefit from. So in that regard with Epson and their products, they standardize the way the systems operate. Their build quality is absolutely flawless. And what does the customer receive? It's the ability to deliver on their promises to their customers. The uptime is fantastic. And so while, yes, you've got to keep on top of where technology is, at the same time, you've got to deliver.
And you've got to choose the right partner within that technology pool, haven't you, really, that is actually working really hard on the R&D for that whole one-step solution beginning to end. Yeah, definitely.
Absolutely. But I think from our perspective as Amaya, we need to remain valuable to our customers. That comes from knowledge and being able to educate them and guide them in the right areas. Some customers we speak to, DTG is the right solution. Others, it's a combination of the two. And some people, what DTF really would make more sense to standardize on that application side. But for us to offer value, that equates to knowledge. And working with fantastic suppliers and manufacturers, that enables our team to be more useful to our customers because of the knowledge that Epson have and impart to us. So
it's the heritage as well, isn't it, really? All the way through. And then, at the end of the day, that's what you need to give to when your customer needs to be assured that they're not just buying a machine, they're buying a service, they're buying a whole solution, and they're going to be backed up by continuation of that knowledge all the way through as technology evolves. I think that's super important, isn't it? You're not going to get left. It's future safe.
Yeah, absolutely. I think that's it. When you look at kind of the ecosystem of what we're trying to achieve, all those parts matter. So it's the consumable side, it's the right film choice in this example. Maybe it's garment information. When it comes to the equipment, the uptime is so valuable to our customers. There's a lot of noise in all industries, I guess, and certainly in DTF because it's quite a new concept. There's a lot of, dare I say, misinformation. It's confusing to customers. And so as a business, we want to standardize on premium products that do a job and do it well. And it almost removes all that, bells and whistles noise that often can get. It can cloud people's judgment, for sure.
And I guess because you're delivering that service and that confidence, you're seeing organic growth within your customer base as well. So here we've got the 9000.
Yes, absolutely.
Customers, I guess, moving upstream here, who started off with the smaller, slower machines,
absolutely,
who have built their businesses.
I think it shows a lot of intent as well from Epson's point of view, because they launched the G9000 kind of second half of last year, and already we're seeing the next version of their system, which is a bigger, more quicker. Obviously, it can print at 1.2 meters wide, so it's got the eye of the more industrial user in. But you're right, it gives customers somewhere to go to and somewhere to develop within the Epson product range.
It's an assured solution, isn't it, really? For everybody, all the partners in the loop, really, which is what the industry needs. It's going to accelerate, it's going to grow, it needs the right partnerships and the knowledge. Super important.
Absolutely.
Julian, thank you so much,
very much
for joining us today.
Thank you.
So many customers here that need you.
Yes, I'm ready to go.
All right, thank you.
Thanks, Debbie. Thank you.
Thanks, everybody, for tuning in today. Thank you.